sa aking pinakamamahal. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan to. Ang masasabi ko lang is, iisa lang naman ang gusto kong malaman mo. Natupad na ang isa sa mga dinadasal ko nung ikaw ay dumating sa buhay ko. I can't be thankful enough that God has brought me into my life and loved me in my imperfection.
Lahat ng mga nasabi,
All my life, I have been praying to God to give me a person. My person. Yung makakasundo ko, yung mamahalin ako at yung pamilya ko. At higit sa lahat, yung may takot sa Diyos.
sa isang iklap, nagbago ang lahat. Hindi ko na kaya pa na magpangga. Ikaw ang kumpas pag naliligaw. Ikaw ang kulay sa langit na bugaw. Sa bawat bagyo na dumadayo, ikaw ang kanlungan na kailangan ko.
Naging close kami ni Mom nung panahong she was sick and I had to take care of her. If she was here, I mean, she would be happy. I found my better half.
Aking wakas.
Nia, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Jade, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
So are you both ready to raise as good Christians, the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Sa isang iklap, nagbago.
Love is a choice, sabi mo nga. Pero ako, yung sasabihin ko, you are my Corinthians, chapter 13, verse 4 to 7. Jonathan is patient, he is kind, he does not envy, he does not boast, he is not proud, he does not dishonor others, he is not self-seeking, he is not easily angered, he keeps no record of wrongs, he does not delight in evil, but rejoice with the truth. He always protects, always trusts, always hope, and always persevere.
Ikaw ang hantungan at aking
Alam mo ba kung bakit ako? Siguradong mahal kita. Dahil araw-araw kitang pinipili. Isa lang naman ang aking hiling is for us to be successful and to build our family together. Together with our kids. I love you, mahal ko. Oh my God, na ano ako na.
I can get you all that stuff, but I